This is an executive due diligence report on Insilico Medicine, a Hong Kong-based AI drug discovery platform. We analyze the company's technology and business model, assess its competitive landscape, review its recent relocation to the US and back, and discuss its upcoming IPO plans. We also examine how a successful listing could enhance the company's prospects and the potential challenges that lie ahead. 1. Company overview. Insilico Medicine was founded in 2014 and is headquartered in Boston, MA, USA, with additional offices in Hong Kong, the UAE, and Canada. The company's core focus is on utilizing artificial intelligence to transform the drug discovery and development process. Its flagship platform, Pharma.ai, comprises 3 integrated engines: Pandomics for target discovery, Chemistry 42 for molecule generation, and Insilico for clinical trial prediction. 2. Value proposition and pipeline. Insilico Medicine integrates AI and systems biology to discover novel drug targets, design therapeutic molecules, and forecast clinical trial outcomes. Its end-to-end platform shortens the drug discovery lifecycle and reduces associated costs. The company's lead asset, INS018_055, is a small molecule in phase 2 for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis (IPF), a high-mortality lung disease with limited treatment options. Insilico's preclinical programs include targets in oncology, fibrosis, and age-related diseases. The company also has 2 programs in solid tumors and 1 program of fibrosis-related disorder. 3. Strategic relocation. US to Hong Kong and back. Insilico relocated its headquarters from the US to Hong Kong in 2019 to access Asia's growing biotechnology ecosystem, benefit from regulatory incentives, and tap into a larger pool of talent. The move allowed the company to more than triple its R&D headcount and establish connections with regional investors and collaborators. However, after a few years, Insilico has been reasserting its US presence with offices in Boston and San Francisco. This repositioning supports access to US capital markets, closer engagement with the FDA, and key industry partners, striking a balance between global expansion and Western investor expectations. 4. Economic impact of the relocation. Insilico's decision to relocate initially to Hong Kong provided several economic benefits. In the short term, the company gained from lower operational costs and the ability to more easily scale its R&D team in Asia. Additionally, it gained access to the vast capital markets in the Asia-Pacific region. However, the long-term economic impact has shifted the company's market positioning towards the US, which bodes well for its future valuation multiples. Furthermore, having a dual presence allows the company to reduce its dependency on a single market and strengthens its engagement with Western pharma and regulators. 5. IPO strategy in Hong Kong. Insilico aims to go public in Hong Kong through the 𝗕𝗜𝗢𝗧 Chapter 18A rules, which permit listings for pre-revenue biotech firms. Listing under Chapter 18A offers the advantage of tapping into a pool of non-US investors who are increasingly bullish on the convergence of AI and biotech. This listing would not only provide access to Asia-based investors, but also benefit from Hong Kong's favorable biotech listing policies and regulatory efficiency for China-based clinical trials. However, this strategy comes with risks such as limited participation from Western institutions and exposure to regional geopolitical and market instability. Moreover, a complex capital structure may arise, which could complicate a dual listing or acquisition in the future. 6. Competitive landscape. Insilico operates in a highly competitive and nascent sector. Several leading AI-driven biotech firms occupy adjacent niches. Top competitors include 𝗕𝗓𝗔𝗔 UK, which utilizes an end-to-end AI platform for drug discovery and has forged strong alliances with several pharma companies. It has multiple clinical stage assets, but faces challenges related to its dependence on third-party manufacturing. Recursion Pharmaceuticals USA uses phenotypic screening via high-content imaging and machine learning. As a public company, Recursion benefits from significant data infrastructure, but its valuation has declined in recent years due to limited clinical progress. 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 UK employs AI for target discovery and has a focus on neurology and oncology. However, pipeline setbacks have slowed its momentum. Insilico's competitive edge stems from being the first AI-native company to advance an AI-designed molecule into phase to clinical trials. Its fully integrated AI platform, balanced asset model, and dual market presence are also key strengths. 7. Conclusion: Insilico Medicine has established itself as a category leader in the burgeoning field of AI-enabled drug discovery. Its progress in the clinic, validated by big pharma partnerships, showcases the potential of its technology. While its strategic shift back to the US enhances its market positioning, navigating geopolitical risks and investor sentiment towards AI, biotech will be crucial. Monitoring the progression of 𝗠𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧, the company's lead asset, and the execution of platform licensing deals will provide insights into Insilico's near-future trajectory and inform assessments of its full valuation.